According to information published by the British newspaper The Guardian on June 24, 2025, the United Kingdom has announced a new delivery package to Ukraine that includes 350 ground-launched AIM missiles and 5 additional Raven air defense missile systems. The missiles, adapted from their original air-to-air configuration by British defense engineers at MBDA UK and the Royal Air Force, are scheduled for deployment in the coming weeks. The funding, amounting to £70 million, will come directly from interest generated through the UK's Extraordinary Revenue Acceleration (ERA) scheme, which utilizes proceeds from frozen Russian financial assets. This represents the first instance in which the UK has used Russia-linked funds to finance lethal aid for Ukraine. The Raven Air Defense System is a short-range, mobile missile platform developed by the UK Ministry of Defence in collaboration with MBDA UK and the Royal Air Force's Air and Space Warfare Centre. It is mounted on a Supercat HMT 600 series high-mobility vehicle and integrates the AIM-132 Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, AIM, now modified for ground launch use. With Mach 3+ speed and advanced infrared guidance, the retrofitted AIRs offer rapid response against fast and low-flying aerial threats, including drones, cruise missiles, and rotary-wing aircraft. The AIM, Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, is a high-speed, highly agile missile developed by MBDA for close-in air combat. Originally designed for fighter aircraft, such as the Eurofighter Typhoon and F-35, it employs an advanced infrared seeker and off-bore sight targeting capabilities, allowing it to lock onto and destroy targets from a wide range of angles without requiring the launching platform to be directly aligned. The missile features a solid rocket motor and advanced aerodynamics, giving it exceptional maneuverability and a top speed exceeding Mach 3. Its adaptation for ground launch by the UK reflects the missile's flexibility and the ingenuity of British defense engineers in rapidly converting it into a powerful, short-range surface-to-air weapon. The Raven system has been operational in Ukraine since 2023, with current Ukrainian forces already using 8 such systems in active combat zones. The planned delivery of 5 more units will raise the total to 13, expanding Ukraine's mobile air defense network and its capacity to intercept Russian air attacks across multiple fronts.